are going to be in fact announced tomorrow. Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal has called a significant meeting of all the 70 candidates of the assembly elections. This crucial meeting is going to be held at Kejriwal's residence at 11 a.m. just shortly in a while from now, and this marks a very important meeting before the poll results, as a call for the gathering of all the 70 candidates contesting the assembly elections has been given to discuss about, in fact, the kind of results that are going to happen. Remember viewers, this is coming at a time when there are allegations by the Aam Aadmi Party of horse trading and poaching against the BJP of all its MLAs in as much as 15 crore rupees. Joining me live on the broadcast is Shubh Rana, my colleague. Shubh, a very significant meeting called by the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal at his residence at 11 as 70 candidates of the Delhi Assembly elections to gather. What is going to be in fact the significant takeaway?
Absolutely, yes, Sabrina. When tomorrow is the date when results will be announced, and today Arvind Kejriwal has called a very crucial meeting at his residence. And you know, at Firozshah Road, he have called the meeting at around 11:30 a.m. is the time what we are tracking at this point of time. And you know, Aam Aadmi Party candidates have been called on all the 70 seats because Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal is saying that BJP is trying to horse trade its candidate, and you know, he has said that they are trying to give a bribe of 15 crore rupees, and he is saying that if they come to the party with the party, they are going to get a minister position in if BJP forms a government. This is what Arvind Kejriwal is alleging on the BJP. While the BJP have said that if Arvind Kejriwal fails to provide any proof on this statement, then they file a legal action for this on the same. But 11:30 is the time, Simon, and all the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs also, you know, Mukesh Sahlawat, who was the minister in Aam Aadmi Party government, he have also said that he has been called by the BJP and he has been said that he will get 15 crore rupees. And Atishi, the CM of the Delhi, have reacted to his post saying that we are the soldiers of Arvind Kejriwal and we will not move from the Aam Aadmi Party. So definitely, you know, they are alleging each other. The BJP is saying that this is not true. And if Aam Aadmi Party have failed to provide any, you know, any evidence for that matter, they'll file a legal complaint for the same. Yes, back to you, Simran.
All right, Shubh, thank you for sharing these details and giving us more information.